In today's video, we'll be diving deep into MobileMonkey, a leading chatbot platform that has been making waves in the business world. If you're looking to improve your business's customer support, sales, and overall engagement, MobileMonkey could be the solution you need. First, we'll look at how the platform works and what it offers in terms of automation and ease of use. One of the main features of MobileMonkey is its ability to integrate with popular messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and even SMS. This makes it easy for businesses to interact with customers across multiple channels without needing to switch between different apps. The user interface is clean and relatively easy to navigate, with templates available for creating chatbots quickly. However, some users might find the setup process a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're not familiar with chatbot technology. Another thing to note is that while MobileMonkey offers a free plan, the more advanced features are locked behind a paywall. So businesses looking for in-depth analytics, more automation options, or higher messaging limits will need to upgrade to a paid plan. But if you're just starting, the free plan can still give you a good idea of how the platform works and whether it's right for you. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the things I appreciate about MobileMonkey is its focus on providing detailed analytics. This helps you understand how well your chatbot is performing and where improvements can be made. Additionally, MobileMonkey integrates with CRM platforms, allowing you to capture lead data and nurture those leads directly within the chatbot. This makes it a powerful tool for sales-driven businesses. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that the platform could use more customization options when it comes to the chatbot's behavior. While the templates are great for getting started, more advanced users might want more flexibility to fine-tune interactions to suit their brand's tone and voice. Despite this, MobileMonkey does provide a solid set of features for businesses looking to improve their customer engagement. In conclusion, MobileMonkey is a strong contender in the world of chatbots for businesses. It offers useful integrations, ease of use, and automation that can save time and boost productivity. However, some users might find the limitations of the free plan and the lack of deep customization a downside. If you're willing to pay for the premium features, this could be a great tool for your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.